tomorrow there will be like no school, for there was a forecast about the blizzard, windy, and snowy storm. In fact, so I'm not gonna be over by at Central Swep, so I'll be like staying home, and then all the time I can get a relaxation time whenever I want. And honestly, it would be hard sometimes. It'd be the rest of the season for season. But I hope the spring would be coming back on March, April, and May. 50 years ago, at one time, when they have a lot of plans to do in auditorium, like autism, and put to life, we're back together now.